Hello guys, this is Divine Hair Boutique from Malaga, Spain. I want to make our hair sexy, called African style, the African Queen style. That is the name of this hair I want to make. Then I'll be giving her beautiful eyelashes to match it up. So stay tuned. When I'm done with the hair, you will see a new look. Thank you.
I'm ready for the change.
With the cornrow, you see it, look at the way I make the cornrow. So now I want to start sewing.
Hello. We're just moving towards the end. My final look. No hair plant, No hair plant. My mother's forehead is still the same. So you can see Linda is doing her job very, very fine. Si quiere hacer pelo afroafricano, divina. Es que de verdad te vas a salir sin palabras. Mírame, como la reina. Este se dice, si tú vienes aquí y pides este estilo, dice la estilo de la reina de
Done with my hair. You can see the African queen hair. Look at it. I've done with her. I've made her.
Number one, I'm grateful because Linda has always done it the best for me. I didn't do any hair plant, and my forehead is still the same, but my hair is well done. Thank you, Divina Salon.
Wow.